Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Packer to automate VPS image builds, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure Packer to automate VPS image builds, start by ensuring you have Packer installed on your machine. Visit the official Packer website to download the latest version. Once downloaded, follow the installation instructions specific to your operating system. After installation, verify that Packer is installed correctly by opening your terminal and typing Packer version. Next, navigate to that directory in your terminal. Inside the directory, create a new JSON file to define your Packer template. You can name it something descriptive, like Ubuntu VPS.json. Open the JSON file in your preferred text editor. Begin by adding the basic structure of the Packer template. Include the version of Packer and specify the builders you want to use for your VPS image. For a typical setup, you might choose an Amazon EBS builder for AWS. Define the required variables such as access_key, secret_key, region, and source_AMI. These vary. Next, configure the provisioners that will install necessary software on your image. You can use a shell provisioner to run scripts that set up your environment. Write the scripts in a separate file, or you can define them directly in the JSON. After setting up the builders and provisioners, validate your Packer template. Run the command packer validate your template.json in the terminal. If there are no errors, proceed to build the image. Execute Packer build your template.json in the terminal to start the build process. Packer will begin to create the image based on your defined configuration. Monitor the process in the terminal to ensure everything is running smoothly. Once the build completes, Packer will provide you with the location of the newly created image. You can now use this image to launch new VPS instances automatically. To enhance your configuration, consider adding variables that can be passed at runtime. This allows you to customize the build without altering the JSON file. Lastly, keep your Packer templates organized for easy updates and reuse in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.